This is a tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Duval County in northeastern Florida until 5:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cecil Field, or 11 miles north of Middleburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jacksonville around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Jacksonville Heights and White House Airfield. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Duval, Florida.